Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hard reset a Frigidaire countertop ice maker in 2026. So a normal restart just reboots the machine, but a hard reset is going to clear deeper system errors, including the sensor glitches and the stuck ice cycles. So it is most effective reset that you can do at home. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to turn your unit off, then unplug it from the power source. Don't just switch it off. Leave it unplugged for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all the internal circuits to fully discharge. While it is off, you can also remove the ice basket and drain all the water from the reservoir. This step is important because the leftover water can confuse the sensors when restarting. With the machine still unplugged, you can just simply press and hold the power button for about 10 to 20 seconds, and this drains any kind of residual electricity and also ensures a true hard reset. Now you need to plug the ice maker back in. Simply add fresh, clean water up to the recommended level and not too much or not too little. Then turn the unit on and let it sit for a moment before starting it again. Now let the machine run a complete ice making cycle. Avoid pressing any buttons or interrupting it. And this is going to help the system recalibrate the sensors and the internal timing. So that's how you can perform a proper hard reset on the Frigidaire countertop ice maker. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.